Right people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Esperanto. Right now I am one of the places or castle, Maimun castle. Every single day people want to come here. Just just rent the clothes for the wedding clothes. This is the original clothes, but not only for women but also men love to take picture after they rent their clothes. For example, like the rent clothes, like wedding party. If this is different places, different countries, different places, like different culture, we rent the clothes and then we rent, then we wearing that just for 5 minutes or 10 minutes and then give a little bit money for that and then give like that. You can imagine that. It's very unique one. You couldn't imagine that. If you give the money, a little bit of money, and then just the wearing, the rent clothes, after that you can take picture wherever. This is like the castle or palace, called palace in English, Maimun Palace. Long time ago, before our building here was rebuilt, was compared together. This is nothing, just only standing. 1886, August 18, first time the built by Doktoro from Sumatra. Right, that's all for now.